And after you leave a like, remember to smash the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. And remember to hit the notification bell so every time I post a video you can know right away. Subscribe, 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 subscribe! What's up my YouTube friends, viewer subscribers, Scenish gang, everybody, welcome back to another video. And what I will be doing right now is trying KFC's spicy famous chicken sandwich to see if it's bringing no heat. And KFC, they don't use jalapenos on their sandwich. They use spicy mayo. So I'm gonna see how spicy it is and see if it's bringing no heat. I'm ranking it from 1 to 10 based on how I think it really is. Hope it's bringing some heat. So far it's only been 2 sandwich that's I see bringing all the heat. But let's see if KFC's bringing no heat. Open this baby up. Voila. Yep, so spicy mayo. Let's see if it's bringing no heat. Still warm and nice. I feel like it's gonna be bringing some heat. Swear. So let's get going. Yo, I swear when they make their spicy mayo, they should make it so not to drive somebody insane, but we want spicy. If we say spicy, sometimes maybe I feel like maybe it's just me because sometimes I can't really feel it how spicy it is, especially with jalapenos. Garbage. I see a lot of people be eating sandwich or whatever the jalapenos and they be sweating. No, that can't make me sweat. So here we go. Eight out of 10. 8 out of 10 hands down. So it says, yeah, my mouth is not burning, but tense right now. So spicy mayo is hotter than jalapeno peppers, as I said. 8 out of 10 from KFC hands down. KFC is bringing some heat, but nothing to drive me insane. Nothing to make me have to have a water bottle here. But spicy mayo, yeah. If it's spicy mayo on the sandwich, then it's bringing some heat. Jalapenos, I don't know. For me, jalapenos is not hot for me. But 8 out of 10, hands down. KFC spicy famous chicken sandwich, bringing some heat. Not enough to drive me insane or to have me having a runny nose or to go crazy or eat half and can't eat the other half. But it's bringing some heat, so 8 out of 10, not bad. Already been digested. Oh. But yeah. So I forgot to say theirs don't come with lettuce or tomato. It only comes with the only pickles, spicy mayo, and a chicken patty and bun. But I'm not a pickle guy. You guys know I'm not a pickle guy, so I minus the pickles. Whew. Yeah, my mouth is starting to cool down now. As I said, nothing to drive me totally insane, but they're definitely bringing some heat. Spicy mayo. I'd rather the sandwich have spicy mayo than jalapenos. Because jalapenos, can't taste it. Or maybe they make certain, maybe some fast food makes them a certain way for different people, probably. But KFC definitely bringing some heat. Yeah, my mouth's starting to cool down now just a bit. But it was delicious. So, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. On to the next. I will be back trying and doing more stuff. You go enjoy the rest of your day. I'm out. And don't forget to follow me on social media. I post daily on them.